Control. Ancient painters used to practice putting dots on paper in artistic disorder. This is rather difficult. Even though you try to do it, usually what you do is arranged in some order. You think you can control it, but you cannot. It is almost impossible to arrange your dots out of order. It is the same with Melee. Even though you try to approach at random times, or tech in random ways in order to prevent people from hitting you, it is impossible. You cannot do it completely. The best way to control people is to encourage them to do whatever they want. Then they will be in control in its widest sense. So let them do what they want and watch them. To ignore them and concern yourself only with your own actions is not good. That is the worst policy. The second worst is trying to control them. The best policy is to watch them. Just watch them without trying to control them. See what they do after they are forced to shield in the corner or after they grab the ledge. Allow them to do it and use that information. It is the same with your mind. If you want perfect calmness, you should not be bothered by the various thoughts that you have while playing. Let them come and let them go. Then they will be under control. But this policy is not so easy. It sounds easy, but it requires some special effort. How to make this effort is not easy to learn. Suppose you start to become frustrated with yourself during a set. If you attempt to calm yourself, you will be distracted from the game, and if you try not to be frustrated, your effort will not be the right effort. You cannot prevent yourself from experiencing emotions. Instead, allow them to pass. Focus on the swinging door. That is to say, focus on the movement of the characters. The true purpose of this idea is not to stifle our emotions, but to train ourselves to see things as they are, to observe things as they are, and to let everything go as it goes. This is to put everything in control in its widest sense. So concentrating on the game is just an aid to help you to allow your emotions to pass through you. As you train yourself to think this way, you will feel more freedom in your mind.